How you doing today, guys? This is Alex Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. Today, we're going to do the corrections for A, B, and D on 4 ratios and pi. So question number 1, it was just asking for the diameter of circle A, which is just 12. The diameter of circle B is 8. Remember, the diameter is the whole thing, radius is half of it. So the radius of A is just half of 12, which is 6. Radius of B is just going to be 4. So are the radius and diameter of the two circles proportional? Yes. It's just half of them, right? Now, number 6. Find the circumference using proportions. So it says the circumference of circle Q is 21, and we're looking for the circumference of circle P. So we're going to use proportions just like we did before. So we're going to do P and Q, and we have diameter and circumference. We're going to do cross products. So the diameter of P is 7. The diameter of Q is 3. The circumference of P, that's what we're looking for, and the circumference of Q is 21. I got this backwards. So this is the diameter of P is 3 and this is 7. Now we have the proportions correctly. Now before you do butterfly, you can see what happened. Can I multiply 3 by something to get 21? No. Can I multiply 7 by something to get 21? I mean, these two to get each other? No. So then you ask this one. 7 times what gives me 21? So it's times 3. So if I multiply this times 3, the circumference is 9. And this is centimeters. Oh, the proportion. This is the proportion right here. So the circumference is just 9. Now we have a few word problems. Chaz has a dinner plate with a radius of 16 inches. So the radius is 16 inches. We need to find the circumference. So if the radius is 16, my diameter is 32, is double that. Diameter equals 2 times the radius. So C equals pi d, that's the formula. So that's 3.14 times 32. And when you multiply those two, you get 100.48, and these are inches. That was the answer. Now we have another word problem. Circular path, diameter 45. So I'm given the diameter already. So C equals 3.14 times 45. 3.14 times 45. When you multiply those two, you get 141.3, and these are yards. The last one, the pad of a rotating fan has a diameter of 18 inches. So I have a fan with a diameter of 18 inches. And the circumference, 56. Now I have a smaller one. So this is the big one. I have a smaller one that has a circumference of 9. So this is one that we have to do proportions. So I have small over big, and I have circumference and diameter. The circumference of the small one is 9, and the big one is 56. The diameter of the small one is S, that's what we're looking for. And the diameter of the big one is 18. Now you do cross product, so you do 56 S, or whatever letter you use. Then when you multiply those two 9 times 18, you get 162. And then the last step is to divide by 56. So S equals 2.89. And these are what are the inches? Well, that's it for A and B. I'm gonna stop right here for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for today. Have a good day.